Hey guys, so I have here my Jabra Evolve 65 wireless headset, and in case the battery life of your headset is less than desirable, then you have still the chance to just replace the battery inside of here instead of replacing the whole headset. So I'm going to show you here today how to get access to this battery. So the battery is located in the ear cup that has the microphone boom attached to it. So this is here, I think it's the right side. So in order to get access to it, the first thing I'm doing is I'm removing here the ear pad, because I don't want to accidentally damage the ear pad, and those things are relatively pricey to replace. So I'm just going to pull off the ear pad. That's really easy, and all that is left then is here this yellow foam piece. But now how do we actually open up the ear cup? And if we look at the outside there, we have a couple of buttons and then also this microphone boom. So I did not really find an entry point there. But if we take a look on the opposite side, so the inside, then where this swivel point is, that's where I'm decided to kind of pry in there with like my little knife here. And eventually I was able to pop off here the transducer, the speaker. But before you do this yourself, better check out the end of the video, because there I think I found a little bit better way how to do this, because this didn't go all the way without casualties. So, but now let's first continue. So now we have here the speaker portion in my right hand, and before I take this away, you have to consider that this is still connected here with these two leads. So you want to make sure you don't accidentally rip those off and create for you some more extra work. So I just decided to kind of flip this over and then move it away on the right side and just keep it there the entire time. And now we already see here the battery inside of the ear cup. I'm going to give you here a nice screenshot of all the data for the battery in case you want to order one for yourself. Now removing the battery is super simple. There's just a really small piece of tape that holds this in place. So you can just pull it off with your finger. And then here you see, don't forget the 3 leads that go to the battery. And yeah, so depending on your soldering skills, now you can just unsolder them right on the PCB, or in case you're not that confident, then just cut off the wire here a little bit closer to the battery and then solder the new battery on right here. So yeah, unfortunately there is no simple connector so that you can just unplug it. You have to do some soldering work here. So when it came to reinstalling the speaker, I noticed that I broke off this pin here that is meant to hold one of the sides of the speaker in place. So it doesn't look to me like Jabra really wants you to be able to maintain these headsets, so they may actually want you to break them off when you try to open it. But then the opposite side is shaped a little bit different, so you may have a better, easier time opening or removing the speaker here from the other end. So maybe you try it from there first, but for me it was the first time. I had no idea how to do it, so I broke this. And in the end what I did was just I hooked in the speaker on the side that was still intact, and then here you see now here the broken side. And when I pushed this one here into the ear cup, then it actually works fine. So it's not really that horrible that the pin broke off. So it still holds in place. The speaker doesn't just fall out, so it's still snuck in there, and you can even still swivel it here a little bit. So in the end, it's still, everything is fine, and I'm going to still use this headset. Yeah, okay, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any more questions, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to check out my other videos.